So friends, we are going to learn today chapter 6, that is lines and angles. Okay, this chapter is going to be very simple and easy because most of the part or most of the point we have learned in the previous classes in class 8 and 7. Okay, so here you are not getting any complex topic. Okay, this is very plain and simple. Just now here we have to revise the previous class topics which we have already discussed. Okay, so the name of the chapter is lines and angles. So we are very clear that we have to understand about angles and lines, this all only. So the first part I have written here angle, and we try to understand what is an angle, how angle is formed. When two rays meet at a point or two rays comes out from a point, then angle is formed. That part we learned already. Okay. Then these two rays are called the arms of that angle. Okay. Here OA and OB are the arms, and then AOB is the angle. And the point at which the angle is formed, the point is called the vertex. Here O is the vertex of this angle. Okay. Very clear? No problem. Now we are going to learn 4 points first. 4 definition of different types of angles. Okay. Now first one is adjacent angle, complementary angles, okay, supplementary angles, linear pair and straight angles. We have not 5. So we are going to discuss about these 5 points. Okay. First one, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means if two angles have a common or a same vertex. Okay, if two angles have a common vertex, then or common point, then these two angles are together, they are called adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means a pair of angles. Two angles at one vertex are called adjacent angles. Okay, now suppose here we have one angle. Okay, this is one angle, and here we have this is another angle. Okay, now this angle and this angle, this angle and this angle together adjacent angle because they are on the same vertex. Okay, they are on the same vertex, they are adjacent angles, they are together. Okay, so you can notice one more thing. Two adjacent angles have a common ray also, which is a common ray, or you can say common line segment. Okay, two adjacent angles have a common line. Okay, that way also you can understand. Next one is complementary angles. Complementary angles is also a pair of angles. Okay, when two angles together makes 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles. Here this angle AOC and angle BOC 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. That's why total is 90 degree. That's why angle AOC and BOC together they are complementary angles. Together they are complementary angles. Okay, but in this case, suppose this angle 60 degree is with you. Okay, and this angle 30 degree is with me. Now they are not adjacent angle at all. They are different angles, but the sum 180 degree, but not 180, but the sum is 90 degree. Okay, they are different angle, but their sum is 90 degree. That's why still they are complementary angles. So it is adjacent or non-adjacent. Okay, that's not the matter. Adjacent or non-adjacent. Adjacent angles can be complementary, non-adjacent angles also can be complementary angles. Only we will have to check the sum is 90 degree or not. Okay, clear? Similarly, supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means the sum of two angles is 180 degree. Sum of two angles is 180 degree. They are supplementary angles. No matter, angles can be adjacent angles. These two angles can be adjacent angles, or they can be non-adjacent angles. Okay, the angles formed at a point. The angles can form at a point. Okay, angles can form at a point. This angle and this angle together this angle together. This is suppose your 100 degree and this one is 80 degree. This total is 180 degree. They are supplementary angles. They are supplementary angles. Or suppose one angle you have is, this is suppose 80 degree, and one angle, another angle with me, that angle is suppose 100 degree. Okay, this is 80 degree, it is 100 degree. They are not adjacent, but still they are supplementary angles. So sum of the angles, whether they are adjacent or non-adjacent, sum of these two angles 180 degree means they are supplementary angles. Okay, yes, they are non-adjacent angles, different angles, but sum is 180 degree, so it's a pair of angles there. That's why this is these pair supplementary angles, this pair also supplementary angles. Next point is linear pair. Linear pair, two angles must be adjacent angle. Linear pair, two angles must be adjacent angles. The two adjacent angles, if sum is 180 degree, okay, the two adjacent angles, if sum is 180 degree, then they are called linear pair. Okay, two angles, sum 180 degree. Then these two rays, this one and this one, they form a line. Is it? OA and OB form a line. Okay, that's why it is linear pair. Okay, these two angles must be adjacent angle in linear pair. Okay, this total is 180 degree. So linear pair also, the supplementary, adjacent supplementary angles. Okay, adjacent supplementary angles are linear pair. Okay. The next one is straight angle. Straight angle, 180 degree angle is straight angle. We are very clear about that. But what happens, why I have written in this section, because you check here, if there are more than two angles, 1, 2, 3 angles, okay, when we add these three angles, the sum becomes 180 degree. Okay, then we cannot say them linear pair, because pair has two angles. Now in this case we use the term straight angle. Okay, in such cases we use straight angle because the three angles, 1, 2, 3 angles. Okay, supplementary angles you cannot say because there are more than two angles. Okay, so here we will have to use this straight angle term because the total sum is 180 degree. We have next 3 points we have to learn here: vertical opposite angles, complete angle, and reflex angle. Okay, we know that when two lines intersect each other, the 4 angles will form. Okay, each of these opposite angles are equal because they are vertical opposite angles. This opposite angle on this vertex, the opposite angles are equal. Okay, these two are equal. That means angle A is equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D, vertical opposite angles. You have already learned this. Now, complete angle. Okay, the maximum measurement of an angle at a point is 360 degree and it is complete angle. Okay, that means 360 degree angle is complete angle. Okay, the angle formed at a point. This is the maximum measurement at a point. So more than 360 degree at a point angle we cannot be found. Okay, so this is 360 degree angle is complete angle. And then reflex angle is the angle which falls in between 180 degree and which falls in between 180 degree, okay, and 360 degree. Okay, the angle is less than 360 degree and more than 180 degree. Okay, it comes in between 180 and 360. That is reflex angle. Okay, from the figure you can understand the reflex angle. If this AOB is the acute angle, suppose, then the external angle is the reflex angle. It is more than 180 degree. This is more than 180 degree. You check here. Reflex, if angle AOB is an acute angle, then reflex AOB is equal to 360 minus angle AOB. That means this acute plus this external angle together they make 360 degree. That's why this is the reflex angle. So with this concept we can solve fast exercise of the chapter. Okay.